Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Barista espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was leaking, and the part that was leaking was this water pump. You can kind of see the water damage that where the place it was leaking, and it was just spraying a little bit of water on the back of the machine. So we went back in there, replaced it. This one is from 2010, so it's definitely been working for quite a while already in the machine. So it was a good time for the water pump to be replaced. And we clean a little bit of grinder, clean around the bores, blow some air through here, and yeah, that's all with it. So starting on double shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right brand settings to this machine, otherwise you're gonna see coffee or coffee barely dripping. We're not using the machine's portafilter as we do not have the machine's original portafilter. We're using another Breville's portafilter. As you can see, espresso range is moving up. This is tracking pretty good. Our coffee is pretty old, so might not see a lot of crema, but even so, we still had a nice layer of crema, as you can see here in this shot. Let's move to ounces. There you go. 1.5 ounces. Good layer of crema. Infusion. This is just to show you the flow coming out from the brew head, and as you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the shower head. Nice temperature, working really great. Steam for this machine, we're gonna test that out as well. Just needs a little bit of time for the thermoblock to reach temperature and for us to see some steam coming out through the one. This machine was having also problems while doing steam, and that was because the water pump was just old. It was not able to pulsate, as you're gonna hear in a couple of seconds. There you go. Now the water pump is pulsating and is sending water through the thermoblock and into the steamer one. You can see right here. And as the thermoblock is hotter, it's gonna increase the pressure of the steamer one, and we're gonna see much steam coming out through the one. As you can see right here. Now it's pressure, excellent temperature, working great. And there you have it, Breville Barista Express working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.